Yeah, hi. In today's video, we're going to show you how you can actually make money while you shop online. Okay, so we're going to go into a full review of a app stroke Chrome extension called Coupert, and we're going to show you how you can actually go and earn, how you can draw the money out to your PayPal account, and also how you can actually promote these offers and actually get even more cash. Okay, so as you can see here, we've come on to the Coupert.com website, and it says here, apply the best coupon codes and earn cash back on every single purchase with Coupert. Okay, so basically what it is, it's an app that you can download to your mobile, and you can also add it as a Chrome extension as well. And what's more, it's totally free to go and actually add this, so it's not going to cost you an actual penny. When you then go and search online to order stuff, it will actually go and find you the best coupon codes to actually activate against that purchase, which means that you're going to, one, get the purchase cheaper and get some cash back on some as well. And I'm going to show you how this all works as we're going to dive into the actual website, the back end of it, and show you exactly how you can earn and how you can then get paid via PayPal. So make sure you stay tuned right to the end of this video. Okay, so we've come into my account here, and as you can see, it says, how does the coupon cashback program work? Well, it's very, very simple. When you see an actual button when you're searching online, you just need to basically activate that cashback. Okay. Then when you actually go to the checkout and complete your transaction, you will earn what they call Coupert Gold. Okay. Now, once you've earned that gold, you can then withdraw it via PayPal by transferring that gold into cash and then transfer it straight to your PayPal account. Now, obviously, there are various cashback terms here. I would urge you to obviously go through and read this before you go and obviously start using it. Okay, and there's also a FAQ about cashback. So how do you earn the cashback? Where does the money come from, etc. Well, obviously the money comes from the companies that are teaming up with Coupert. So they will pay Coupert a percentage of the money that when you actually order through their app. It says here, how do you redeem your cashback? And so the rules for withdrawal limit. As it says here, 100 gold equals $1, and there is a minimum of $10 to withdraw. So that's pretty low. You could probably get more than $10 off on a particular one purchase here, guys. And obviously, when you go and withdraw, don't forget there will be a handling fee by PayPal, so you wouldn't get the full amount because the handling fee would come off that amount. You can also earn by various other different means, guys. If you install the Coupert extension, you will get 100 gold points, which equals $1. If you sign up for Coupert itself, you will get another 100, which equals $1. You daily check-in. So if you actually check into the website every day, you will get some gold for that. You've also got to complete your profile. So simple things here. Try a demo. Complete your first order, and you also get $3. You've obviously got things like view hot deals and share your code. So if you share your referral code, gold as well for inviting a friend. Now, when you do actually invite a friend, this is a way that you can actually earn more gold, because you can get 20% for every referral that actually then goes on to place orders. You can get 20% of all their gold that they actually earn. So that is a great way to do that. And don't forget, if you are looking to join, then there is a link in the description here that you can actually click and go and join Coupert for free, and then you can get started straight away. Now, once you actually signed up, you can go and get the various things here. You got the install the extension. As you can see, you just literally click on the add to Chrome button, and then it will appear up here in your actual Chrome extensions. So if I actually download, click the button here, as you can see, Coupert, it's automatically downloaded, and it is in my extensions. Now, if you wanted to use it via mobile, then mobile app is there as well. You can literally just get it by adding in your mobile number and email address, And you can get this from the Apple Store and also Google Play. So it actually works on both Android and iOS. So that is a big plus as well. And that's all it is, guys. You just literally have to go and then search the internet. So if I was looking for some maybe Groupon, as you can see here, this has already come up even in the search engines here, that it's come up that I can get 30 codes for up to a 6.4% cashback from Coupert. So if I go through to a site, for argument's sake, for booking.com, if I wanted to book my next holiday, as you can see here, we can get up to 2.8 to 6% cashback. And all you do is click on the Activate Now button, and then that will activate the codes. So if we go back to my account, and this is where it will appear. It sometimes takes a little bit of time to actually appear. But as you can see, I've got one here that I've already confirmed. Haven't actually spent any money yet. But if I go back there and then purchase, I will then get this code that I've activated already. Now, once you've got obviously your gold coins here, you can then go and withdraw money. So you literally come down here, withdraw the money. Once you've hit your balance of $10, you will then just be able to withdraw. That will then download to your PayPal account. Once you're in your account and you complete your account, you've got a section there on your PayPal, and all you do is obviously add in your PayPal email to do this. So if you want to actually invite other people to join and obviously get more gold that way, you just click on the invite tab here, and as you can see, you've got a unique link here which you just need to basically copy. You can obviously share via the various means here, various socials as well, and there's nothing stopping you obviously doing a blog and that sort of thing where you can put this link in. When people click it and join, then you will then get 20% of their gold that they actually earn. So very, very simple, very easy to do. So whatever you actually go and search and pay for online, you could then get back some massive savings on holidays and goods and all that sort of thing. So make sure you check out Coupert today. Remember, it's totally free to download. Works in most countries, but obviously you'll be limited to certain things. So make sure you check that out when you actually go and download it. All you literally have to go and do is do your normal searching online and purchasing, and you could end up getting money back for the jobs that you've been doing for the last so many years. It's totally worth doing, and obviously 100% free. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, subscribe now, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. Don't forget to watch these videos next, and we will see you on the next video.